So, you wanna get under the skin of the biggin, huh? Buckle up, Buttercup, because this is your express lane to Nintendo's naughty list. First, let's talk treasure. Forget buying games. Embrace the high seas. Download every ROM you can find, hoard them like a digital dragon, and play them loudly on public transport. Bonus points if you're using a Switch emulator on a potato PC. Next, mod that Switch. We're talking custom firmware, overclocking, and installing homebrew software until the cows come home. Turn your pristine console into a Frankensteinian gaming beast. Ignore all warranty warnings. They're just suggestions. Labo, but make it terrifying. Forget the instructions. Channel your inner abstract artist. Create a Labo monstrosity so bizarre, so structurally unsound. It makes Miyamoto question his life choices. Bonus points if it vaguely resembles a CTHULHU. Become the internet's most brutal game critic. Rip apart every new release with the fury of 1,000 suns. Highlight every minor flaw, exaggerate every questionable decision, and demand Nintendo apologize for daring to entertain you. Embrace Waluigi, not just loving him, but demanding him. Spam Nintendo's social media accounts with Waluigi requests. Start online petitions, write impassioned essays, and convince everyone that a world without Waluigi is a world not worth living in.